Here's an awesome test, ladies and gentlemen. DJI Mic 2 standalone and the Fulaim. You got it. I got both of them. I go hook up and do a test. And I tell you right off the bat, it's going to fail hooking up two different transmitters at the same time. Now, I want to tell you my settings. DJI Osmo Action 4 Pro, gain -3. In Fulaim, I apologize. In Filmora 13, I saw my dB levels at a 6 dB. I needed to drop it down to 12 dB. I wanted to get it to hang where it's about, you got it, -6 dB and peaks at 12 dB. So let's pause the video, hook up. Test 1 2 1 2. This test is not working. You hear me a little less loud. And now you hear me loud. And the reason I could tell that is if I put the mic down and if I talk to you, you're not going to hear me. Test 1 2 1 2. So this is failure of two mics separate. What I am going to do is turn off the microphone. What I'm going to do is pick up the Fulaim. And we have here is an awesome test. You could have a backup. And the Fulaim could be plugged into the USB-C port while using the DJI mic. And if the DJI mic ever fails, this automatically turns on. How sweet is that? I can't control anything of the camera by pressing any of the buttons. Let's see, I don't have a pair button on here to press. Nope. Nope. All right, there you go. It does have a pair button, but you can't, do that. So there's the test. I pulled this out, so now we have just the sound of the DJI action camera. And there you go. Now, what if I plug it back in? But let me tell you this. This mutes the speaker, the audio. So we plug back in. Test 1, test. There we go. Now we're working. Now, let me turn this back on. And there we go. We're on this. Test 1, test 2. Test 1, test 2. Test 1, test 2. Doesn't work. So we're going to pull this off. There we go. So now, I got my record on. I don't know why my record goes on. I didn't set it up for record. I want to shoot video so I can do some editing in Filmora 13. And I want to see the dB levels, like I said. So, completed this test, and I hope it worked out for you. Test is over. This sample is the DJI Mic 2 only. It is on my neck with the Fulaim X5. I want to see if I sound a little deeper with the DJI mic, and if I am a little bit, not going to say crisper, higher or clarity. My octaves. The octaves is low on the DJI. I want to see if the octaves are higher, meaning that I have a higher sound than a lower sound. Deeper is not what I really want. I don't want to sound bassy. Let's switch on over to the Fulaim. The Fulaim X5 test. Do I sound as deep or loud? My words are a little different. It may not be the same exact length as the DJI, and I will have to repeat the same exact test over again and saying, this is a test with the DJI Mic 2, this is a test with the Fulaim X5. How do I sound? And I have to say those exact words, and then you get the idea of how this sounds. So let's go try that test one more time without touching the DJI Osmo Action 4 gain. Leave it as is. Having my neck strap, like I said about the gnarly sign, up to 6 inches, I am happy I can lift it over my hat comfortably. I may just tighten up maybe an inch, and I feel that doing this test may help somebody out there decide if a expensive mic versus a budget mic. But today with the DJI Osmo Action 4, the DJI Mic 2 standalone is the mic to get for the camera, because you get a remote control shutter start and stop as well. You get everything to be used inside the camera, a lot of the settings, then nothing at all. And you can use it for your computer, but you have to pair it separately. It's one pair only for this unit. It's not a two-pair system. And that is a choice you will have to make. But if you're looking for a receiver and transmitter, then you have to decide if the Fulaim is right for you. It doesn't work well with the Osmo Action 4 because once you plug in the USB-C port, it mutes the speaker sound so you can't hear it starting, if that is a problem for some. I just wanted to make the test to see if two different mics will work at the same time. I found out that one could be a backup when plugged in. And the only test I didn't do was shut off or pull the Fulaim X5 out. And that is secondary to the DJI Mic 2. So that wasn't a test needed at all. The primary works, DJI Mic 2. I hope this test was helpful to somebody out there that is looking to get a mic, no matter which mic it is, for the camera. But if you're looking to be dedicated to DJI and have the official one to work, so be it. Nothing's wrong with that. Some people may not like the sounds of it, and some people may like the sounds of Rode. And yeah, I find this a little bassy. I have to go home and I don't edit my audio. I don't tweak it. I just give it to you like it is. I have a little, deep voice. And at times I could talk, a little loud. Right. And that's my highness. My highness. I'm not the highness. I'm your heir. Hope you got something out of this video. I'm Fish, and I catch on many other videos to come. Remote control and mic all in one. Oh, before I go, let me not forget, nothing hanging on the camera, no wires. The only thing you got is this bad boy in your hand or wherever you want to put it, and your camera. On that note, have a great day.